Hey, it's me, Michelle from the Albert George Branch Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute little Valentine's Deco Mesh wreath. For your Deco Mesh wreath, you will need a wreath form, pipe cleaners, a ruler, scissors, ribbon of your choice, Deco Mesh 21 by 10 yards. You want to do two colors as I am, and a cord to go on top. To begin, I'm going to take my Deco Mesh and I'm going to create a tail, just a small tail, the beginning of my row. We can come back later and clip that excess and make it even. Unfortunately, I did not have the matching pipe cleaners, but it's okay because we're gonna hide them. On my wreath form, I'm gonna start at the bottom and I'm just gonna twist tie it on. As tight as possible, just give it a few little ties. Make sure that you're using the Deco Mesh row with the puffy side up. It has a natural puff to it, if you can see that. And you want that to be up. That's what's gonna give you the fluffy. Take your handy ruler, and from the tail, you want to measure 10 inches. So from your tail, you're going to gather at your 10 inches. And kind of puff out your little poof ball. And I like to do two between the divider. So here's one. And twist. You're gonna try to get it as tight as you can. Again, from your tail, 10 inches. And see, I'm gathering it all in the center. And then I'm going to add another one at now I'm doing it at the divider. Okay, so now I've come to the end of the bottom row. Now I want to fill the top, and I'm going to use two colors, so I'm just going to do the bottom and the top. My last loop I attached to the very first loop I did that had the tail. So now we have two on one. So you want to cut your pipe cleaners, if they don't already have it, just a little bit longer so you'll have enough room to tie your Deco Mesh, plus any ribbon or any decor that's going to need tying. So my circle is complete, my white wreath. You can either leave it like this. If you do happen to leave it like this, you can go through the center and add more white. It's all up to you, but I'm choosing to do red for the upcoming Valentine's Day. Again, I'm making my tail. It doesn't matter which way you go. You want to make sure that your Deco Mesh is with the poof side up. Now I'm going to attach it to just any one. Remember, we can come back and cut our tails off. Now that I have completed the two colors, my white and my red, I'm going to add a ribbon. So I've begun to add the ribbon to my wreath. I cut them about 15 inches long, but it's up to you and how long you want them to stand out. Now I left mine rugged. I wanted them to have that little frayed look, but if you want them to have the little triangle look, I'm going to show you how to do it. You're going to fold your ribbon in half. Your open side, you're going to cut open to close at an angle going up. Let me show you. And that's going to give you the triangle shape. So it's up to you. It's your preference. It's your wreath. You do whatever you want with it. I've already begun to put, so since I'm going with this theme, I'm going to try to put one on every single pipe cleaner. So every single poof is going to have one. All you do is grab it, tie it, make sure it's even, of course, and bam. Now I have 3 different types of ribbon, so I'm alternating the frayed with the heart. So I'm putting 2 on each pipe cleaner. So I'm going around putting my frayed ones. So I'm doing a frayed, and then I'm doing a hard, and then each one is going to have the checkered. Once you're completed and you know that it looks full and you have as much ribbon as you want, is where you come in with your decor. Then you begin to place your decor wherever you want. It's your wreath. So you can place it. You can add as much as you want. You can add as little as you want. You can leave it just like this if you want. You can add something in the center. Or you can leave it plain. And this is the final product. Thank you for watching. Happy Valentine's Day.